We are happy to announce the Goa Common Entrance Test results. Sahas S Kamat, he has topped the exam in engineering. He was probably the same student who topped the JEE mains exam, the result which was announced recently. Now, this examination was conducted on 8th May and 9th May, and as you are aware, this examination was conducted basically with the active cooperation of IIT Bombay. It's a faculty member from IIT Bombay who has been associated with this exam. So IIT Bombay has its own name and they are known to conduct the examination in a proper fashion. Normally these exams are a mass examination. But in Goa being a small place again, the number of students who appear for examination and all, we are distributing it's roughly about 4,000 students. So it's not a very big number. The statistical highlights, who talked in physics, who talked in mathematics, and other things we are circulating too.
Sahas Kamat 68 मार्क घेऊन फिजिक्सात टॉपर.
I'm very happy with it. I think it was great. Yeah, it's just all my hard work that's paid, and I really like to thank my teachers who also worked so hard, and it's because of my teachers, my parents, everything that this great result has come. Right now I'm preparing for JEE Advanced and GCET. I'll either do pure sciences or engineering. I'm not entirely decided yet.
कुडचडकार 70 मार्क घेऊन केमिस्ट्रीत जाल्यार अर्श कोरगांवकर 71 मार्क घेऊन मॅथ्साचो GCET टॉपर.
I would like to pursue either electrical or computer science at any of the old IITs. Yeah, sir motivates us a lot. Even my parents motivate me. And GCET is basic level. It's not so tough. Preparing for your boards easily prepares you for GCET. Especially reading NCERT and doing NCERT properly in and out can prepare you for GCET. So we were prepared for GCET much in advance.
So I'm feeling really happy. Well, I told my mom that I would really score good in maths, so I'm feeling very happy. I mostly want to pursue engineering, mostly in computer science, electrical. Right now I'm preparing for IIT Advanced and BITS Pilani.
आता फुडले डिग्री कोर्स एडमिशनाच्यो फॉर्मल दादी आसात त्यो अश्यो. इंजिनियरिंग आनी फार्मसी खातीर हळडुवा फॉर्म A, MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BAMS, AHS, नर्सिंगाक गुलाबी फॉर्म B, बॅचलर ऑफ आर्किटेक्चरा खातीर फॉर्म C, फॉर्म A आनी फॉर्म B DTE पर्वरे सावन व्हरपाचे. C फॉर्म DTEचे वेबसायटी वेल्यान ऑनलायन डावनलोड करपाचो. डिग्री कोर्सांची एडमिशनां 17 मे ते 25 मे मेरेन चलतली, आयतार सोडून. DTE पर्वरी मडगांवां रवींद्र भवनात घेतले एडमिशनां फॉर्म. DTEच्या वेबसायटीचेर एडमिशनांची म्हायती आनी C फॉर्म आसात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.